Okay, so now what you are doing, you know the textbook pages that you have to do. It's practice, and if you will practice, only then you are going to understand what a picture graph is. So you have to do all these pages on your own. You can take help, but you have to do them on your own. Textbook pages 224, 226, 227, 228, and 230. Workbook pages 157 to 166. All of these are simple picture graphs that I have just explained, and you can just rewind the video again and again if you don't understand. Okay, afterwards we have revision pages. Revision 4, workbook pages from 167 to 183. But before that, what you have to do is you have to revise all of your tables. 2 to 5, you have to revise all the tables. Okay, it is important for multiplication. We have already read it. So what you are going to do, you are going to revise all the tables from 2 to 5. Next, now on these pages 167 to 183, there are different concepts of maths that you have already studied before. We are just going to revise all of those concepts. Okay, now look here. What is the time on this clock? I'm sure everyone knows it is 3 o'clock. What is the time on this clock? It is half past. What is it? Half past 6 or 7? Half past 7. Okay, so, and please kids always remember, let me make a clock again. That's a bit weird. Okay, I have told you various times that when it is a half past, the smaller needle is in between two numbers. So which it is between two numbers, and the first one is usually the time. So now this is half past 8. Okay, sorry, yes, half past 8. Alright, okay, now let's move on to the concept of lighter and heavier. Now all of you know very well that the thing that if you measure two things on a scale and one thing goes down and the one thing stays up, the down will be heavier and the upper one will be lighter. For example, if we have 2 kg block over here, it is heavier than 1 kg block. Okay, keep it in mind. Okay, that is your concept of heavier and lighter. Now we have muffins over here. There are two groups of muffins. So what we have to do, we have to make groups of two muffins. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Now how there are dash groups of muffins. How many groups we have? 1 in total. 2 into 1, so it is one group. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. How many groups of muffins do we have? 5. So kids, these are all the concepts that you are going to be on pages 167 to 183 of your workbook. You have time, there is the concept of heavier and lighter, there is the concept of division and multiplication, and these are all the concepts that you have to do. So good, what you have to do is open your books, do these pages on your own, because if you are going to practice more and more, you are only going to understand it more and more. Okay, so all the best and do these pages yourself. So students, your syllabus for maths has been finished, and now you will be moved on towards your revision worksheets. Good luck. Don't forget to subscribe the channel.